17, you guys. This is Sheba. I wrote her in today because I'm telling you she's a better person.
Are you eating a fucking brick? Don't eat the brick. I don't know what kind of drugs you're on, but stop. Get out of the fucking cage. It's for the dog. Fuck off with the brick. Hey, dip fuck. Out of the cage. Hey, dip fucker. No more brick.
Do you ever look at someone and wonder what is going on inside their head?
And I can put it in a bun. And I can put it in a bun. I got my edges back. I got my edges back.
Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Little baby man, 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 little baby man.